What's up? We're back. I'm gonna be reacting to Cardi B Bongos featuring
Megan
Megan
the Stallion.
the Stallion.
Some more
Ass.
degradation.
Okay.
No, yeah, degradation.
An ass.
If you're gonna have ass, please have asses that look good, please.
Assy.
Like,
Buns.
don't have like random asses. Have like the best ones you can find.
Nigga, eat this ass like a plum.
Wow.
This pussy tight like a nun. Better chew it up like
Can't
it's
do
dumb.
this trick.
Then wipe your mouth when you done. I'm hot like Nevada. Pussy get pop pinata. Bitch, I look like money. You can print my face on a dollar. Beat it up. Beat it up. Beat it up.
Oh, this is catchy.
Beat it up. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Honey, I'm home. Shoes getting kicked off. Every time I turn around, a bitch pissed off. Little dusty ass hoes need a lip brush. You gon' settle down, you gon' live with him. I don't even wanna post a pic with him. The bag he just bought me was a go yard. That ain't your nigga, he is Bongos. Pussy tight like a nun.
This is going, boy. This is going. This is really going. This is really moving.
Cardi B is really turning this thing into a brand, right?
This is really moving. What?
Like pussy tight and like that type of stuff.
Still turning. It's already her brand.
Because I thought she was gonna be like big and be kind of like child friendly in a way.
Why would she be that?
No, not necessarily her lyrics, but her as a brand.
Bong, 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 bong. That's a big ass. That's how a big ass sounds. Bong, bong,
No,
bong.
it's actually.
No, when it's walking. Bong, bong, bong.
I don't know.
And 100 top of my thumb. I don't care where
What
you
about your
from.
thumb?
To pick with him. The bag he just bought me was a go yard. That ain't your nigga, he is Bongos. Pussy tight like a nun. Kinda 100 top of my thumb. I don't care where you from. Better beat this shit like a drum. Don't be talking shit like you know me. I ride dick like a pony, girl. That nigga look like a brokey.
Like a pony. Is that what she said?
Yes. Something like RP like a pony.
I ride dick like a pony. That's what she said.
Ooh, even better.
You're not,
Dick like a
you're
pony.
not supposed to ride a pony. That's the thing.
Wait, you're not supposed to ride a pony?
It's a child, my guy. Come on.
What the fuck is that? Isn't a pony like the size
It's
of...
a young horse.
Oh, it's a young
still
horse.
growing.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
so you thought it remained like this till it died?
No, I thought it was more like the size of a donkey, like the size of a donkey.
No, it's a horse that's growing.
I don't care where you from. Better beat this shit like a drum. Don't be talking shit like you know me. I ride dick like a pony, girl. That nigga look like a brokey. Go fuck with his homie here.
His ass sit like a stallion. All these wannabes, my little pony. These hoes camped out in the comments, always talking like they know me. Ay, thick bitches in a black truck packed in. Eat whoever in my way, Miss Pac-Man. Hermes made a real big purchase. Purse so big, had to treat it like a person. Bad bitch, in real life. Real love, give a fuck about who likes. Bitch, treat it like a person. Then my way, Miss Pac-Man. Hermes made a real big purchase. Purse so big, had to treat it like a person. Bad bitch, in real life. Show me real love, give a fuck about who likes. Bitch trying to say I ain't fine, why? They know I'm thick, like I'm eating beans with the rice, like lean over ice. Got the real meat pies. I be feeling like my ass, like these jeans play tight, like I'm eating bitch. Show me real
So close, I need to see it again.
No.
In case I didn't see it.
love, give a fuck about who likes. Bitch trying to say I ain't fine, why? They know I'm thick, like I'm eating beans with the rice, like lean over ice. Got the real meat pies. I be feeling like my ass, like these jeans play tight. And the way they watch me need to be monetized. I'ma need a money bag if I sleep overnight. Wait.
Wait,
Pop pills, but I'm
so
the one they
she's
can't
selling.
take. Hot girl shit, I'ma make some shake. I know the stiff hoes can't relate.
Shoot your shot like a free throw. Just know this pussy is
What a verse, Megan. What a verse. Jesus Christ.
Show me real love, give a fuck about who likes. Bitch trying to
wonder
say
how
I ain't
much it
fine,
costs.
why? They know I'm thick, like I'm eating beans with the rice, like lean over ice. Got the real meat pies. I be feeling like my ass, like these jeans play tight. And the way they watch me need to be monetized. I'ma need a money bag if I sleep overnight. Wait. Hoes pop pills, but I'm the one they can't take. Hot girl shit, I'ma make some shake. I know the stiff hoes can't relate.
shoot your shot like a free throw. Just know this pussy is free throw. My BD is amigo. Bitch, your BD is a zero.
My back shots sound like bongos. I ain't scared to admit I'm a freak.
Bongo,
At least
bongo,
I'm getting my
bongo,
money.
bongo,
Y'all
bongo.
hoes broke. Pussy took more turns than a keyhole. Like a
get him an outfit. We need him out there.
That's how it sounds. It sounds like that.
Think it's Thursday. I got cake, I'm lit, it's my birthday. I don't ride on my knees, bitch, I ride on my toes.
Big fat ass need to eating up the dog.
Go to garage for the phone.
Jesus Christ, Megan, what are you doing? And Cardi B, where is that pole? Yes, sis, it's in. It's lodged deep in.
It's coming back.
Jesus
Not shining.
Christ. What a back on her.
It's not gonna shine when it comes back.
Yes, sis. It will.
It's what do they call it? Colonoscopy.
Jesus Christ. Yo, I know Megan is so uncomfortable with this. Fuck.
Nah.
On cars that I
Tough.
never judge.
A bitch couldn't school me with a student loan.
So sexy, I can make gal in the robe. I can body every look and I can body every pose. Neck full of diamonds, yeah, I'm forever froze. Will Cardi ever fall up? Bitch, you never know. Woo!
Cardi's nice. She's nice. She's nice.
Beat it up. Wait, bitch, I'm hot. I know Prada. Pussy get popping nada. Looking like money. You could print my face on $1. This pussy dominicana. This pussy americana. Ayy, si tú quieres que te toma, toma. Put a couple cribs on my own, I'm a owner. Beat it up.
What the hell? Why is the season not open?
Cardi!
Hey,
Fantastic. A classic.
man. Rest in peace to men. Anyway, let's see, you're sweating. This is the most twerking you've done in 3 minutes. But anyway, please like, suggest, subscribe. Please subscribe, like all the videos. Suggest any other videos.
They need to make
like
another
us.
song. They need to make another song. We need another song. We need another classic. Please, God, we need another classic.
Please suggest any other video you'd like us to
WAP.
react
If you're
to.
not react to WAP, please suggest it. WAP. I beg you, say WAP. We will.
I need a cleansing. We'll give you a shout out when we react to the video that you suggested. Until then.
WAP, 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 WAP.